Low country boil at the beach. Let's get it. We're gonna start by adding 2 full cans of Old Bay seasoning, and then we're gonna put our potatoes in. This is a 5-pound bag of the pre-washed potatoes from Sam's Club. Ideally, you would be able to fit all of your food into this one pot, but since we're cooking for such a large group and we only have one pot, we're gonna have to cook in shifts tonight. Once the potatoes are fork tender, we're gonna take those out and we're gonna add the cut up pieces of sausage. We just use linked kielbasa sausage and broke fresh corn on the cob in half to put in there. These take about 10 minutes to heat up. Then we're gonna take those out and we're gonna put our shrimp in. We have about 10 pounds of shrimp here. We're gonna put in last. And as soon as they start to float, or when they're fully a pinkish orange color, they are done. You can scoop them out. We serve it in pans like this and keep them separated because different people like different things, but I prefer it all cooked in one pot so it shares all the flavors. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let's eat, y'all.